Hello. So we're just out, bit of a walk around, and just thinking to myself, your mind wanders a bit when you're out. Just thinking about the two really different types of people there are in the world. I think, two's about the maximum. Two type of people, the people that see opportunity, and those people that only see problems and obstacles. What I find interesting is it's not a 50-50 split. You've got, I'd say, 10 to 15% of people in the world that see the opportunity and the possibilities, and there's 85 to 90% of people who see difficulty in the world, obstacles that they can't get past. I think I was kind of lucky with what I do and my upbringing a little bit. So there was never any obstacles put in my way. Always had a positive sort of mindset from my parents. You can go out, you can achieve whatever you want. You might not be the smartest person, but you can go and do it. Or at least that's the message I got anyway. That's the message I took in. So I remember hopping off the airplane one day and I used to do a lot of fly and fly out work. Hopping off the airplane, and the world looked a bit different to me. There was opportunity, the bright lights, if that makes sense. Also the places I worked as well. I think there was a lot of opportunity presented to you if you actually wanted it, if you actually had the initiative to take it. It's the old saying, if you want it, you got to hop out there and take it. You got to take those opportunities, So don't be scared to take the opportunities, even though at times it looks daunting. Things look hard. You can't always see the clear way through. It's important to actually see the opportunity and take that step and really have a go, have a crack. And I think it's important not to let other people's fears and negativity hold you back as well. You've got to be, chase the things that you want in life, see the opportunity and take the opportunity.